Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites. The Mini is online in the Google Home app and your phone's Bluetooth is on. Next, open the Home app and tap the Mini. Go to Device Settings, then Audio, and choose Paired Bluetooth Devices. Once here, make the Mini discoverable by enabling pairing mode so your phone can find it. This step matters because the Mini won't appear to your phone unless the Home app explicitly allows Bluetooth pairing. Do that now to proceed. Once the Mini is discoverable, switch to your phone's Bluetooth list and tap the Mini's name to pair. Accept any confirmation prompts, then return to Bluetooth settings to confirm it's listed as connected for media audio. Now open a music app and select the Mini as the output. You should hear audio immediately. If audio doesn't switch, force select output inside the music app or toggle Bluetooth off and on. This pairing routes media to the Mini, so you control playback from your device. To finish, use your phone for volume and track control. Remember, voice commands won't change Bluetooth audio once paired. If audio cuts out, first power cycle the Mini and your phone, then forget the Mini in Bluetooth settings and repair. This clears stale profiles. If problems persist, update the Google Home app and the Mini's firmware, or perform a factory reset as a last resort. One key troubleshooting tip: ensure no other device is
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.